Hello, I'm going to show you how you can access the Clever portal to open up the Go Math curriculum. The first step you're going to do is find the colorful wheel down below, which is known as the Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to look for the Clever portal. You can see the Clever portal is here down below, but if you do not see it here, what you're going to do is look for the 4seriesusd.net. That's at the upper left-hand corner of the bookmark bar. If you click on this, you can also find Clever here. You'll know it's Clever because you can see the C on the blue square box. Go ahead and click on Clever Login Portal. The next step is going to be to sign on to Clever. Students sign on with Google, so you're going to choose the option Log in with Google, which is right at the very top. Here is the landing page of the Clever portal. Here I will find all of my apps and curriculum apps. I'm going to look for the Go Math curriculum. When you locate it, you can click on it to open it up. The next step is to type in your username and your password. Your username is going to be the same numbers you use to sign on to your Chromebook. But you don't have to type in the @seriesusd.net. All you have to do is type in the numbers. This number is also your lunch ID and your student ID. So go ahead and type in your ID number. Then you're going to type in your password, and your password is going to be the password given to you by your teacher. It is the same password that you use to sign on to your Chromebook. Then you can click Sign In. You will now be at the Go Math landing page. You will notice that you may get a pop-up asking you if you want to save your username and your password. So the next time when you go to Go Math, you do not have to type in your username and password. It remembers it. So what you'll want to do is click on Save. On your dashboard, you will see three options. One of them is Things to Do, My Library, and My Scores. If you click on Things to Do, you can see all of the assignments that your teacher has given to you. Right now, I have no assignments. If I did have an assignment, there would be a text there with blue underline known as a link, and I can click on that and it would take me to my assignment. Again, I have no assignments as of right now. When I complete my assignment, I will be able to look at my scores. I can click down here onto My Scores to be able to see my scores. And again, since I haven't completed an assignment yet, there are no scores. I also have access to what's known as My Library. Let's click on this. Your teacher may want you to go to a different tool within My Library, and you may have to search for it. For example, maybe they want you to open up iTools. If I click on iTools, it's going to take me to the iTools. For example, if I wanted to use the counters, it is telling me that I need to enable the Adobe Flash Player. So what I can do is click right here on the puzzle piece. I'm going to choose Allow. Now I am able to use the iTools. The screen is a little small, so I can click on the box right up here to expand my screen and maximize it to make it bigger. Then I can go ahead and click to start using my tools. When I'm done, all I need to do is click on the X at the upper right-hand corner. Then it will take me back to this screen. I can also close out by clicking the X at the upper right-hand corner. And now I'm back to my library. If I want to go back to my dashboard, all I have to do is click on Think Central, and it will take me right back to where I was in the beginning. When I'm done completing my task, I do not have to log out. It's actually better not to log out because then you have to go through the steps again. So I would recommend just closing out by clicking on the little X right here to close out of the tab. That will take me back to my Clever portal, and I can close out of this too if I'd like. That's how you access Clever to get access to your Go Math curriculum.